Welcome to Auto Drive Car. Today we are bringing you an exclusive and in-depth look at the futuristic 2035 JES drone fighter jet, one of the most advanced unmanned combat aircraft concepts being developed for the next generation of aerial warfare. The JES is designed as a stealth, supersonic unmanned fighter jet, built to perform high-risk missions without putting a human pilot in danger. It combines cutting-edge artificial intelligence, autonomous flight systems, and a next-gen weapons suite to dominate future battlefields. Built with a stealth-optimized fuselage, radar-absorbent composite materials, and an extremely low radar cross-section, it can infiltrate enemy airspace undetected. The JES will be capable of speeds exceeding Mach 2 with a high thrust-to-weight ratio engine and an advanced variable cycle propulsion system designed for both efficiency and extreme performance. It features vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capability, enabling deployment from short or improvised runways as well as aircraft carriers. The drone jet will come equipped with a fully autonomous AI combat brain capable of performing dynamic mission planning, dogfighting, and electronic warfare without the need for continuous remote control. Its onboard systems integrate next-generation SR radar, infrared search and track sensors, electronic countermeasures, and a secure satellite data link allowing it to operate beyond line of sight and cooperate with manned aircraft in a loyal wingman role. The JES is designed for deep strike missions, carrying an internal weapons bay with precision-guided missiles, smart bombs, hypersonic projectiles, and potentially directed energy laser weapons in the future. It can also be armed with air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons while maintaining its stealth profile. Built to serve multiple branches of the military, the 2035 JES can perform intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR missions, electronic warfare, and autonomous strike operations, all with minimal human oversight. It will use swarm networking capabilities, allowing multiple JES drones to coordinate attacks and share real-time targeting data autonomously. With long-endurance fuel systems, it is expected to have a combat radius of over 2,500 kilometers and refueling capability for intercontinental missions. Designed with modular open architecture, upgrades to sensors, weapons, and software can be done rapidly as technology evolves. The JES fighter drone represents the future of aerial combat, where AI-driven unmanned systems will complement and, in some cases, replace traditional manned fighters. Developed under strict cybersecurity protocols, its systems are designed to resist hacking and electronic interference, ensuring mission integrity even in contested environments. With ongoing advancements in machine learning, stealth composites, and autonomous targeting algorithms, the 2035 JES is expected to revolutionize how modern warfare is conducted. Stay connected with Auto Drive Car for more updates on futuristic defense technology like the JES and other next-generation innovations. Tell us in the comments what you think about this unmanned fighter concept and whether such AI-powered aircraft are the future of air combat.